what are you most grateful for? Especially sa lahat mo nangyari sa buhay niyo.
Ano yung tingin kong dapat maganda for me
Well,
because I want to also
I'm
give
always
them
really
the
hesitant to
space
attend the ball.
and the
I think it's such a fun event, but at the same time very overwhelming. But this year I wanted to make it a point to come because I think I'm so blessed. I've been given a leading man role in a teleserye with ABS-CBN TV5. So yeah, I just think na this is a good reason to celebrate, and we all deserve it naman after everything ABS has gone through. So, ayun, let's have fun tonight.
Yeah, Barb!
For me naman po, I'm always excited pag merong ball kasi parang syempre hindi na kami nagkikita-kita lahat. At yung chance na makabonding yung ibang Star Magic artists, yung ibang ABS-CBN artists. So, I'm really excited to see my friends. And of course, yung mga boss handlers, RMs, and
so I suggest
Who invited who? Bakit magkasama sila Tony and Barbie? Naiintriga kami?
no.
Mag-best friend na kasi.
Correct.
I'm gonna walk alone. I'm gonna walk alone. Might as well, diba? Walk with your best friend. Hindi naman kailangan
Correct.
romantic.
Speaking of being friends, any projects, upcoming projects na kayo naman yung magkasama, na-miss na namin kayo after nung teleserye?
So far, wala pa. We're different projects.
May mga producers dyan.
Ayan.
Yes.
Of course, Tony, nag-aapoy na damdamin. Ano pang mga pasabog sa nag-aapoy na damdamin? Ngayon, alam na. Nagbabalik si Olivia.
Ayun, malapit na magkasama si Lucas and Olivia. So, sana abangan nila kasi malapit na ang season 2.
Correct. Barbs, ano pang aabangan sa'yo? Movies, projects, TV series?
Meron akong movie coming out soon with JC Santos. And then I have another with JM Guzman. And then another with Sue Ramirez.
Ay, aabangan namin yan. Thanks, guys!